Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Iiyama G-Master Red Eagle G2770HSU-B. We're also running a giveaway on this monitor which ends at midnight on the 14th of April 2021, so check out the link in the description to enter. In the box we have the manual, the plug, display cable, USB-B, as well as the HDMI, base of the stand, part of the stand and then the monitor itself. Assembly was really simple as it was just two parts that clicked and screwed into place and the monitor was up and ready to go. This Iiyama is incredibly thin and its matte black frame and thin bezels are really nice and minimalistic. I quite like its design as it doesn't scream gaming monitor, so it would look good in not just a gaming room but also a living space, bedroom or even home office. The stand is thin and small, which is nice as it left loads of desk space for a range of other documents. The stand is fixed, but if you're looking for a height adjustable monitor, Iiyama also offer the GB2770HSU-B1, which is the same screen but with tilt and swivel functions. If you didn't want to use the stand, this can be easily wall mounted as it's 100mm Vesa mountable. In terms of ports, we have a HDMI, DisplayPort, headphone jack and USB port, which are located on the back of the monitor. We also have a range of buttons that allowed me to control settings such as gaming modes and brightness. Although I'm usually a really big fan of joystick controls on the back of a monitor, these buttons were pretty easy to use and I got used to them really quickly. The 27-inch Full HD display gave a good amount of screen space and served me well for gaming. And the IPS panel gave pretty sharp visuals and bold and bright colours on a range of content from nature shows to animations and of course games. The colours are also really accurate as it covers 99% of the sRGB colour spectrum, and this stays consistent when viewing from a range of angles as there was barely any colour distortion, which makes it a great choice for multiplayer gaming. This monitor gave an incredibly smooth, sharp and fluid gaming experience thanks to its 165Hz refresh rate and 0.8 millisecond response time, specs which are extremely impressive on a monitor this price. The specs made gaming really immersive and gave me a competitive advantage in games such as first-person shooters as it allowed me to be more precise and accurate. It also has AMD FreeSync Premium and low latency, which made my gaming experience much more captivating as there wasn't any lag, stutter or tearing. This monitor has a range of preset gaming modes that are optimised for a range of games such as FPS and racing, and if these don't suit you, you can save your own custom settings to go back to whenever you need, which is pretty handy. It also has a black tuner which helps to reveal the details in the shadows without overexposing the screen. This helped me to spot any hidden enemies lurking in the shadows. The Iiyama also has a range of blue light settings which can help to reduce eye strain. This was perfect for me as my eyes felt comfortable even after a full day's testing. When it comes to audio, we have two 2-watt speakers which aren't the loudest, but they are a lovely addition to the monitor as it meant I didn't need any additional external speakers when it came to gaming or movie streaming. Overall, this is a brilliant monitor. Its refresh rate, response time and FreeSync capabilities gave me smooth, sharp and accurate visuals, and its IPS display has great colour accuracy. What's even better about this monitor is that you get all of these awesome features for a budget-friendly price. What do you guys think? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.